Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to share songs from Spotify on Snapchat. So on my Spotify, I decided to work with this particular singer or musician. So first thing I have to do is to select the particular song I wish to send to my Snapchat by tapping on the three dots of that particular song. Now I'll tap on the share option, which is the last option here. Then the first step I will be taking is to tap on copy link. Go head over straight to my Snapchat option, my Snapchat app. Tap on turn on, only this time, take a snap. Tap on the link option there and paste the link you just copied. Tap on search option in order for Snapchat to search for the song you just copied. Yeah, it has been fetched. You can now tap on attach to snap in order to attach it and tap, and you can now send it to your stories, save it to your stories, send it to someone, and you could also save it to your device. So guys, the next step for you to be able to send a song from your Spotify on Snapchat is this. Let's go to our Spotify again. So tap on your Spotify. The next thing you have to do if you want to send a song from your Spotify on Snapchat is tap okay is to tap on the three dots of that particular song you wish to send. Tap on the share option, search for Snapchat. Now the song has been sent from my Spotify to my Snapchat, so you can save it, you can send it as a story, you can also send it to individuals, your friends. So guys, if this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks for watching.